Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, sunroof, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.